Welcome to my home garage. I have an NB2 2001 Miata. I don't see many good options for body kits, but this one,
spicy.
That's dangerous. And just like that, the kit is on. Let's see if we can get this baby on the ground without any issues. I may have to run out and go get some ramps, but we'll see. Welcome to my home garage. I'll be working from home today. I've been working on my S14. I finally got it to where I absolutely love it. Shred a few events, put a lot of time into it. Looks great. But today, I want to work on my Miata. I have an NB2 2001 Miata, and I absolutely love it. It's my daily driver. I drive it to work, to events. I do a little bit of grip, a little bit of drifting, but I want to do more drifting with it because drifting's where my heart is. I absolutely love it. I need a little bit more power. So I have an ISR Performance kit. It's the first turbo kit for the NB2 Miata from ISR Performance. So I'm stoked to see how that works. But before that, I want to see how good I can get it to look. I got a new body kit from my friends at Black Flag Labs. They are in the UK. They make some really special stuff because there's not much available in America for styling in the NB2 and NB1, just the NB chassis in general. And I don't see many good options for body kits. This one, I'm pretty pumped, and I've already started mocking it up because I couldn't contain my excitement. So it's pretty much a deuce kit, but made to fit the NB, and I think it looks fantastic. I can't wait to see it on the ground. Hopefully I have no clearance issues and I can get out of my driveway, but I have a little bit of modification to do today. That's the work I have to do. It's just basically modifying the front bumper. Since this is made for an NB1, I have to modify it for the NB2. The headlights are a little bit different, so I'm gonna have to shave some of this. This doesn't fit exactly right. The headlight won't go all the way in. As you can see, it's just a little bit popped out, so a little bit of trimming here. Just some work with a Dremel tool, and it won't be that bad. And I can have this on the ground, take a good look at it, and then we can plan paint and hopefully fit up the turbo kit. I'm just gonna get right to it and start putting it on because I wanna see what this looks like on the ground before I get mounted up for the turbo kit. So that really didn't take much trimming at all. It was fairly simple, and just the Dremel tool. Had to just whittle this out a little bit to make the headlights fit. So moving on, we'll just drill a couple holes and then make sure that I'll probably take this plastic piece out here. There's a little plastic piece that was for the factory stuff, and you can see that my fender was hitting here before, so just bend some of these tabs out. Take this plastic out, drill a hole, and I'll probably do a through bolt here just so I can have easy access to it. And if I want to, at a drift event, I can pull the bolts out and put a zip tie in because you don't want all the force going to the bumper. It'll break at those tabs. So popping the zip ties and have the bumper fly off is kind of okay, unless you run it over. So I'll drill a couple holes, modify it. Front bumper should be done. I can move on to the rear, Dremel a few things out, and then mount the side skirts. I should be done. Getting it on the ground might be tough. I have to go get some boards or something to drive this off. But I'm pumped to see it on the ground. That's dangerous. Rear bumper is mounted and ready to go. Pretty happy with how that fit. When I got it, it had this dent in it. It's not bad. That needs to be pulled out. I'm gonna let somebody more professional try it, but everything else fits nice. And just like that, the kit is on. Put the wheels on. Everything looks good. So let's see if we can get this baby on the ground without any issues. This started pulling away a little bit. It's a little bit under tension, so I put a Cleco in there for now. I'll probably just put 2 rivets in here and the same on the other side, just because I don't want it to pop off. And I think I could probably smooth it out and make it look good. But I'm pretty happy with it. It looks awesome in the air, but I can't wait to see it at ride height. Well, I got the car down, got it outside. I actually tried to make it out of my driveway. It was a little bit rough, but I did get it out. So I planned on lowering it a little bit, but if I'm gonna daily it, I don't think I really can. But I'm pretty pumped with the way it looks right now. Happy with the way it looks. I need to get some body work done. I'm not a body guy. I don't have the patience for it. This is about as far as I go in body work. But I will turn this over to my boys at Hadley Auto Body, and they'll have it pristine, a little bit of a respray, fix some of the body damage that was from the previous owner, fix some of the body damage that I caused from multiple track days, and then get the bumper painted correctly. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and install the ISR Performance Turbo Kit. Right here is the turbo. Got a new spec clutch, stage 3 ready to go in, and then all these ISR parts are the full kit. It's a direct bolt-in kit for a turbo Miata. I'm pumped because it's just super simple. I'm gonna take a couple days off and smash this out. I got a Haltech Elite for it as well. I'm gonna be running a Flex Fuel E85, and then I have a Garrett turbo for the future. So it should be double the power, but I want to run it on the ISR turbo. Here it makes good power. We'll see. Next time I'm going to start on that and hopefully get it done by next week, because this is my daily, so I got to get it done. Thanks for watching. Yeah, good night. Bye, car. Good night.